as much as we can plan ahead, sometimes the plan doesn't work according to our plans, right? To our own expectations. So what I realized is, we can actually begin to bring different foundational attitudes to our daily life. And this is something that we teach in our course, in the foundation course, the 4 weeks foundation course, and also the 8-week courses or MBSR. So for today, I'd like to speak a little on one of them, and that's a beginner's mind. Yeah. So this beginner's mind is that of, approaching whatever that we do as if it is our first time. Even though it may not be the first time, you could be doing it many times, but what happens when we bring that sense of freshness, even in terms of perspective? Yeah. For myself, like, 5 days MC. Then, okay. Maybe I can make the best out of it, right? I can limit my contact with people outside. I'm doing what's needed, right? And also taking care of myself. Yeah. So if you have been feeling very overwhelmed in the past few days, in the next few moments, I'm going to guide you through a practice where we can kind of center ourselves once again. All right. Okay. So in today's practice, I invite you to bring with you that beginner's mind. Okay. So as you take in this breath, as you sit wherever you are, in this space that you are in right now, just bring that sense of curiosity. Yeah. And yeah, even as we gathered here, just take this time to just invite your eyes to close. So allowing yourself to close your eyes. And let's begin by taking in 3 beautiful deep breaths. And perhaps at the end of third breath, just bring this sense of gratitude to what you have right now. Perhaps one of the first and foremost thing is perhaps having good health, being well, not taking our health for granted. Just bring to mind whatever that you're grateful for in this moment. Just feel into that sensation. And beginning to open this awareness into just very curiously noticing how's the condition of your body. So just dropping our attention all the way down into both our feet. Just feeling into this very foremost contact that it makes as we rest the feet on the ground. What's that like? Being curious about the sensations in the toes. Just the way the toes are. Including your awareness, the heel and the ball of the foot. And very gradually just scanning this region all the way up, the ankles, the shin and the calf muscles. Just knowing that it is there for us, supporting us in ways that we often do not realize, especially when we stand or walk. Feeling into the kneecaps, just the way they are. And they're at rest right now. And gently taking this moment to feel into the thighs. So however they are right now, we can choose to be with it. To our thighs, our legs. Just a very simple yet important role that our legs provide for us to sit, to walk, to stand. So bring this sense of awareness to the legs. So feeling to the thighs and also our sit bones, our bum region. And just moving all the way up, feeling to the back muscles, just how they are right now. So bring this awareness all the way up to the shoulders, the left and the right shoulder. Just letting whatever that's here be the way it is. Expanding awareness to include both your arms and hands and fingertips. Being curious. Bring a beginner's mind to just have a sense of how your hands are like now. Is there any tingling sensation? Feelings of warmth or coolness? Are the fingers clenched up or just at rest, at ease? And gently just moving this kind attention into the belly. Just feeling to that physical sensations of movement. It comes with breathing in and out at the belly or at the chest. Just being thankful for this breath. So welcoming whatever that is here in your chest, your lungs, your heart. And gradually expanding this awareness to include the neck, the sides of the neck, the back, and even observing if there's any tension held here. Is it stiff or at ease? And then gradually feeling to the face, just our facial expression right now, the way our lips are, the mouth, cheekbones, and the nose. So welcoming sensations of breathing at the tip of the nose. And feeling to the eyes, the eyelids. Maybe for the first time, curious, how does the eyes feel? Because we've been having them open the whole day, taking in, doing our work, gauging activities. So just closing them, taking a break. And then feeling to the forehead, and the top of the head. So just trusting this whole body, just being here for you. Breath by breath. Just simply resting here, being curious about just how things are, just the way they are. Breath coming in, going out. Just reminding ourselves that we have done the best we can in this week. So no matter how overwhelmed you feel in the past few days, whatever those might be, just reminding that yourself that you have done your best. Having some take some moments even to celebrate whatever that you have accomplished, however small or big that might be. Even could be a conversation with someone. It could be a task that you completed that made a huge difference. With something that you did for yourself that you feel good about. And just forgiving yourself for those moments that maybe that things you have not done the way that you wanted to, or things did turn out the way it should plan out. That's all in the past. So right now, this moment, this breath that we're breathing in right now, there's something for us to celebrate. Because this breath is in the present. Just taking the last few moments to attend to a couple more breaths. And wishing yourself silently in your mind, may I be well and happy. To whatever extent that's possible for me right now. And that's good enough. Alright, so when you feel ready, just taking in another 3 more beautiful breaths. And at the end of that, when you feel ready, just gently inviting your eyes to open. And bring a beautiful smile on your face. Because that's precious time that you have given to yourself. To be with the body, to be with the breath, and to be with yourself.